Guys, this is how we're starting off the video. I'll say Dwayne. What's up, Dwayne? What's up? He does want to speak to you guys. Hey guys, what's up? So we're getting with Dwayne. Yeah, what a fuck up.
But ek of jy?
No, me, I'm the fuck up.
No.
Today's a...
Ek haat video's dude.
That's
Ek
okay.
weet nie wat om te sê al.
That's alright. Okay, Dwayne, tell us what have you done to your... Guys, I'm not gonna edit this out. That close the fucking window. So Dwayne's just gonna explain to us what he did to his Megane RS just before we start going about ape shit. So,
Financial mistake. Actually.
Financial mistake, as I think any car is a financial mistake, even bike. Bike is just a bigger financial mistake because you're buying a coffin as well as soon as you buy the bike. Was ek reg of nie? Glad. Okay guys, yeah, so we're just gonna go to a stretch of highway and open up a bit, so stay tuned. Iemand hoor hom.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Nice whip. Hierdie eens wat my aan is. Ja, gaan eers met by. Sê aan?
Ja.
Hallo.
Hoor jy ook? Check yes, I got that fucking
door.
Kom rustig. Yes. Ja, kan nie.
Why did a guy that has to go sideways over a speed up?
Maar as omdat ek mense in die kar het.
Well, sê ons is vet.
Nee, as ek normaal ry dan sê nie so hoog nie. Ek dink hy mis net, soos ek dink my dinge is net reg.
Ja, sit daar oor die diesel.
Niks bedoel.
Fuck, kom, het was vanaf terugkom.
Of ek het nog 'n kaartjie. Ja. Moet dit vir nie. Ek dink hy het gesê pay, wat dan nie kom ek kry by jou. Maar sê jou baan dankie.
Ja, en jou monga. That's a smaller than fucking built. Check it out. Sideways gang. Ah, say. I bet you met de low car dat
Nog nie weer reg gedaan. Ja, ek het hom. Ja, jy moet stop die net.
Oh yeah. I want to ask Dwayne what he's done to the car, but he said he's shy, so...
Nothing
Wat
much.
links omgaan.
Nothing much, just stage 1 software, downpipes have been done, K&N induction, HKS blow valve, downpipes, free flow. Nothing major to the motor, still
Sounds like a straight pipe though.
Hey?
It sounds like a straight pipe though.
Yeah, straight pipe.
Then you
Nothing
change the
more.
brakes, so it's still standard
No,
brakes.
comes out with remote brakes. Standard. And then the offset of the car, obviously, 10.5 J rims at the back, 9.5 in front, and that's the only thing. Maybe 8 more spaces only just to make the wheels clear.
Yeah.
So that they can fit on over the Century Cup, and that's that. And then the wide body.
And the wide body made himself, guys. So
One and only.
soon there's soon there's gonna be more projects coming from his side. So.
Yeah, I've got a little Chevy Spark car in it. That's my little fitment car for the Tyre lettering.
Sorry guys, he does Tyre lettering as well. You'll see it in the video. I'll also link it down in the description. So check it out. Give him his website is actually up now.
Yeah, up and running. www.vanityoriginals.com. All the Tyre lettering needs.
Actually, je kan gaan om en draaien zo om en gaan eens daar bij de Atlas toe en draaien ze daar weer om. Kom eens terug, dat is niet zo ver.
Rainy days is lekker. My traction is off. Wat weer.
Traction off in wet weather. Ah, nice.
Maar ik ga niet gelijk. Twijfel ik zo.
Damn, dude, the HKS blow valve sounds crazy.
Hey?
HKS blow valve. Sounds good.
En hy damp nie reg nie. Ek moet nog ek weet nie wat dit is nie, maar dit is 'n cap wat ek moet laat maak vir my.
Ja.
Jy kry dit saam die forge blou valve nie. HKS is gemaak vir die Megane, so jy kry hom nie. Dis 'n dreig cap wat ek dan moet ek net nie oorspronklik hierdie afval wat daar is. So hardloop basies op die kar se standaard weer en dit.
Okay.
As ek hom afval in daai gat toe maak, dan gaan hy eers balans. Dan
Nee,
balans
kry
hy.
jy hard is.
Ja.
Kan actually afklim daar by die Renault Ecorex toe gaan en trouwens daar.
Dit gaan nie so wees.
Fucking Renault driving.
Eendag, hoor.
Yeah, bro, I'm also gonna fucking drift around on and off ramps here in Boksburg. This is like the perfect one to
One
drift.
day the Megane, this will be the first rear-wheel drive wide-body Megane.
Rear-wheel drive, Widebody Megane, keep him accountable. Oh shit. Yes.
My trap is so hard, soos wat ek gedink het.
Nee, daar kan getrek word. Ons my kar suspended.
My boost onder. Dis 'n probleem, nee,
Oh
Annie.
shit.
Sy het hom nie ry nou net op so wat 290, wat? Jy gery.
Holy shit.
Hi, Annie. Yeah, it's pretty standard still.
This sounds crazy though. Fuck.
Hoeveel het hy getrap? Is jou vriend met die Golf 7?
Hoeveel het ek gevat?
Hoeveel het hy getrap?
160.
Toen jy my 290 geslaan met die baan.
Oh ja, toe gaan het baie.
Sy Golf is nog pretty standaard, hulle het net die limiter, wat het hulle afgesit of wat? Sy limiter afgehaal.
Hy sê so maar goed. Sy kar toe as sy kar 300 kan ry dan sou hy 300 kan ry. Hey. Hy het 260 uitgekry. Toe ordelik by hom.
Guys, I still need to ask Dwayne if I can drive back. I never asked him, I never told him about this.
No way, my girl drove my car once and
She
she
fucked it
fucked up the rim completely. It's a wall. Literally drove into a wall. I had to replace it. The body kit's built so strong. There's not even a
The body
scratch
kit
on
lasted,
it.
but the wheels didn't.
The wheel didn't. The wide body rear fender got smashed and the wrap was peeled off completely, scratched. I'll actually maybe show you a photo.
Yeah, well,
And
include the
then,
clip.
yeah, and then the rim broken, got it fixed, just rewrapped it. Body kit didn't have a scratch on it.
Shows the quality work he does. Yeah.
Alright, Danny.
Holy shit. Oh, wat jy nou nog moet doen is...
Was dom met traction after, hy spin door. Dis al dom om my nie wil vat nie, want hy spin.
No wonder.
No double plates in the tractor.
No plate gang. That guy just got the biggest front, holy shit. Oh fuck. Do you have pops and bangs or is it just
No, but it does pop and bang. But I don't have the software on it. No, just stage 1 performance software.
I actually agree on this. The pops and bangs are a bit too much. You have Polo GTIs. AK-47.
Yeah, mine will bang and pop and so, but not as often as the usual software would.
Yeah, it's only stage 1 tune, no pops and
But I
bangs.
only get it every now and then, yeah.
I hope you guys can hear the dog. Fuck. People are looking at us the whole time, guys. It's like a regular thing. Basically, the same smile I have on my face is what everyone else has outside the car.
Smiles for days. He's a lawyer, you know.
Oh, he has a stance boy. Fucking hell. I'm gonna get the gear fucking dashboard. Dodgy as fuck.
My papa's axe is afkeer en ek laat hom optel en ek nee, want tweede grond.
Ja,
moet doen by ek.
Oh shit.
Is hulle met sleg gee daar as jy
Obviously ja. Dis valve.
Shit.
Doen dit elke keer as ek hom staan.
Hey,
Ja, ek praat klaar. Ek
As jy
praat pen.
every time he starts off.
Ek praat pen.
Ja.
Jou olie moet warm word.
Ja, nee, ek weet. Nog een.
En als.
En ek moet altyd check as ek inrim en hy is wyd en dan se bang ek slaat die rim teen die
Rim,
pyn.
ja. Kak hele rim.
Baie body
Dis 'n
life.
short people product. Klim dit uit.
Baie body life is nie altyd kry. Dit al gebeur. Hier by hierdie selfe plek bietjie rim rash gekry. Ja. Dis ek net die eerste keer ooit in 'n parking lot en ry my kar. Dis Jajo. Die alkohol. Ietsie gedoen het, probeer om jack.
Ja.
Ek gaan sy vinders omhaal. Ek druk hom af en ek druk hom so met my knie terug. Dus ek sê nie fuck it. Nou ek sal.
Far away.
Maar ek dink hy het ietsie.
Wait for the fucking plane. Feel the same as Dwayne. Fuck the aeroplane! Moon it. What a way to finish it.